Manipur ki mafam kaya World Cancer Day tharam pangthokhre KARKINOS Healthcare Northeast Private Limited na susindra ngasi World Cancer Day tharam pangthokhre tharam se ki madung channa porompat laiba healthcare simakta su cancer ge ba screening su toki tharam adu mari lenna KARKINOS Healthcare Northeast Private Limited ki director Dr. GS Moirang them na hai cancer laina si miyam na yamna kin laying bangam loidaba laina amagum longnadi admo pomasi ngalingai matamda khanghorabadi laying badal laiba laina amani ngasi cancer day haina pangthokhriba sigi maru oibati cancer gi matangda mayam punna aware oiminaduna cancer gi ngak thoknaba leibaduni mayamna cancer gi screening tawduna cancer laina asi ngalingai matamda khangdokduna cancer gi ngak thoknaba honasi haiki.
Purpose of this World Cancer Day, because unless we check, unless we do, unless we come forward, incident is no we can it's about at least 1 in 9 in India 1 in 9 mean at least one person is expected to suffer from cancer. Mean 1 each. Unless we check, unless we deliberately attempt to control or to reduce or to minimize this one, out of every 9 patients, at least 1 patient is expected to suffer from cancer. That's why that organization, that the World Cancer Day in Paris 2000 ticket given Hajuri Bako. Madu Lika Person Kaya Kana Gaharu awareness because awareness is because of that organization is there, some celebration there in October month, breast cancer month, in some other day like that. Every month is a day, every month is a month for specific cancer. Because its intention is to come down, to bring down, to lessen the incidence of cancer.